Does it mean that we don't get angry at all when we meditate? Certainly not. We do get angry when we meditate. Only we don't get carried away by our emotions like anger. Instead, we use it constructively to communicate a point. Let me give you 2 examples. When I promised my daughter, my 6-year-old daughter, that I would take her for a movie after I came back from work, my boss came and told me that I had to complete some work at home, which had to be submitted the next day. The minute he said that, I was so furious that I just yelled back at him, saying that he can't do this and he's doing this only to test me and things like that. I even yelled at my colleague who offered to help me. And I came back so angrily, and when my husband reminded me that I had told my daughter, I again scolded her. Then in the end I felt so miserable that I went and bought an expensive toy to make up. Now, what I could have probably done in a calmer situation when I was more in control, when my boss gave me the extra work, I tell him calmly that I am upset that he has given me this work because I promised my daughter and he's making me break my promise. Then I call up home and talk to my daughter and tell her this is the situation, that she should plan something different, and she goes with her father outside and maybe brings a takeaway home, so it solves my problem, so I can work peacefully at home even. So in the first situation, I let my anger control me. So the anger is in control. It makes you say things, it makes you do things, and when anger leaves you, you are weakened and you have to overcompensate and you regret what you have done. But if you are in control of your anger, then you can use your anger constructively, like how you told the boss that it's not right. And guess what? He felt it and he bought a ticket, free tickets for both of us the next week. So the point is to use your anger constructively, and meditation helps you to see your emotions with clarity so you can use them to communicate correctly.